Okay, let's carry on. Sorry, let me just clear this away. So we managed to get part E right, and that was quite easy. Okay, and F is also easy. We're going to find the exact values of T0 and T1, so no calculators. So T of n is equal to the integral between pi over 4 and 0 of tan to the power of nx with respect to x, and we need to find t of 0. Well, that's just integral of pi over 4 0 of 1 with respect to x, which is x, between pi over 4 and 0, which is pi over 4. So that's easy. T of 0 is equal to pi over 4. T of 1 is the integral between pi over 4 and 0 of tan x. And actually quite recently we've discussed how to integrate tan x. You're going to integrate instead sine x over cos x and use a substitution of u is equal to cos x. So du dx equals negative sine x, dx du equals 1 over minus sine x. Okay, so now we can integrate sine x over u, employ the little trick. So that's going to be, look at that, the sine x's will cancel off, so it's going to be minus the integral of 1 over u with respect to u, which is going to be equal to negative log of u, which is cos x. Okay, so it's going to be negative log cos x between pi over 4 and 0. Okay, notice I've gone back to x, so I don't need to change my limits of integration. Okay, so then it's going to be minus log of cosine of pi over 4 minus log, minus log of cosine of 0. Now, cosine of 0 is 1, log of 1 is nothing, so that will disappear. Okay, then we're going to get minus log of 1 over root 2, cos pi over 4 is 1 over root 2, and rules of logs tell me that is going to be log of 1 over root 2 to the negative 1, so the reciprocal, so log root 2. Okay, or you could say it's a half log 2. Half log 2 would be equally correct. So let's just write that down. T1 is equal to log of root 2. Okay, so again, three nice, easy points. Now, G, horrendous. It's a horrendous question. Again, not really sure how you're supposed to do it. So again, what I'd be doing is I'd be skipping it, but noting the solution that it's given to you. Okay, I also probably can't really do G because of G2 because I can't do GI, but I certainly can do H for another 2 points. Okay, so let's do H first because I know how to do it. Okay, so that's T2 is going to be, like I said, let's write down the formula that you're given first. Tn is equal to 1 over n minus 1 minus t of n minus 2. So t of, what are we trying to find out here? We're trying to find, 2 and 3. Okay, so that's going to be 1 over 1 minus t of 0. So it's 1 minus pi over 4, which must be 4 minus pi over 4. So T2 equals 4 minus pi over 4. Okay, t3 must be equal to 1/2 minus t of 1, which is equal to 1/2 minus log root 2. Just thinking, can we do anything with that? Possibly not. That would be 1/2 minus 1/2 log 2. Factor out 1/2, so it's 1/2 of 1 minus log 2. I mean, the original answer is just as good. Okay. So there are your answers to the last part of the question. So it's giving you 2 marks there. Okay. So if you do things as effectively as you possibly could, you're going to get 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 3, 15, plus 2, 17. 17 out of 27. If you get 17 out of 27 on that question, you have done fantastically well, okay? You've got to cherry pick the easy questions, all right? Now, I'm going to stop the video there, and then I'm going to do one more part where I'm actually going to explain to you how part G is done.